Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the charming town of Bellevue, Alberta, a place rich in history and nestled in the picturesque Crowsnest Pass region of southwestern Alberta. Surrounded by the stunning Rocky Mountains and lush valleys, Bellevue offers breathtaking natural beauty and a peaceful atmosphere that attracts visitors looking to explore the great outdoors. Bellevue was named by French-speaking settlers who were reminded of the beautiful view the area offered, which is what Bellevue means in French. This name reflects the town's stunning surroundings and the awe-inspiring vistas that can be seen from various points around the community. The town's history dates back to the early 20th century when it became a hub for coal mining, attracting workers and their families who contributed to the growth and development of the area. The town offers a quiet, relaxed lifestyle while still being close to larger urban centers, making it a perfect place for those who appreciate small-town living. Whether you're passing through or planning to stay a while, Bellevue invites you to experience the warmth and charm of this delightful Alberta town. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Bellevue, Alberta. Thanks for watching.